The whole purpose of our company is automation of in-house transport. If you go into a modern facility today, you will see that they have a lot of robots, robot arms that are moving parts around, but most of their transport is done manually. So our task was actually to develop a robot that did automation of in-house transport. There was already some mobile robots, but most of them were very expensive and very difficult to program. So his idea was actually to create something more simple, something easy to program and to a reasonable cost also.
It has to be very easy to set up, to operate. So you use your tablet or mobile phone to interact with the robot, because that is a tool everyone has available now. So me as a mobile robot that moves indoors in the factory, and what it does is basically deliver a good from one position to the next. It has to operate with people, so it has to be very, very safe.
It's humans and robots working together, and that's where it starts getting collaborative. So it's really about a cooperation between a robot and a human.
From the company's point of view, we can guarantee that goods are delivered on time, and you can have a much better flow of your production.
Many of the companies that are using our robots today, they were not aware that they had the opportunity to do automation of in-house transport with mobile robots. We are so much first mover that we actually know the customer's demand before himself.
This is really a new market we are opening. And it's going to revolutionize the way we are using in factory, but also in home and supermarket, airports. All these places you're going to see the mobile robots, because they will come and help us with the need for transportation of any goods from one place to another.
We were aware from the beginning that this should not be a product only for Denmark. So we started up thinking globally. In 2015, we were at 3 employees. Today, we're about 50 employees. We sell our products in the whole world. It's extremely important to keep focus on and speed on the R&D. So we keep developing, keep coming out with new products, new features. I think that's very important.
We manufacture mobile robots and mobile manipulators, and then we develop applications in service robotics using this mobile robotics technology. Our products are sold principally to Europe and then to Asia, principally to China.
The AGVs project is a project that we developed for a hospital in Valencia, and we installed a fleet of 6 robots able to make the transport from the warehouse to all the plants of the hospital in an autonomous way.
We have a wide range of products. We have products for outdoor, and we have an important range of products for logistics.
We customize the mobile platforms for the customer. When we create a new robot, we need to change the design, modify the hardware. And in software terms, we also have to integrate all the components. We also have to solve the problem of the localization and navigation. One system never works in all the different environments.
When we started with mobile robotics, it was difficult to convince some customers that this technology was something feasible and you were not talking about science fiction. So it was difficult to get investors to start the company. Now everybody is able to see in the news that robots are a growing market. We really don't need investment for continuing growing. But we think not having the investment will be a cost of opportunity, because with these resources, we could develop a business plan that would allow us to take a larger portion of this market.